So I'm going to show you the basic. This is a really straightforward dent. This is, you know, just come out of training after a, you know, a couple of years, and you're out on the forecourt. This is a basic training dent. So I'm just going to show you the easy way to push this out. Pushed most of it out, but there's still a few little bumps. If you look at them, see these tiny little bumps going across. So I'm going to use a finer tool on that now. So now I'm left with this bit up here and this bit down here, and I'm going to switch the light round and move it so you can see it a bit clearer. And there you go, in under 20 minutes, you can see the scratches where the branches hit it. The dent has gone. You can see, completely gone.